Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download multiple photos from Google Drive at once. All right, let's begin. First, open any browser on your device and search for Google Drive. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the folder or location where the photos are stored. Now, to select multiple photos, you can click and drag your mouse over all the images you want to download. Alternatively, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each photo one by one to select them manually. Once you have selected all the desired images, look at the top of the page and click the download icon. Google Drive will then begin compressing the selected photos into a zip file. Depending on the size and number of the images, the zipping process might take a few moments. Once it's done, the zip file will automatically begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. You'll find the zip file there. Simply extract it, and your photos will be available in a regular folder, ready for use. So that's basically how you can download multiple photos from Google Drive at once. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.